How does sexual reproduction occur in fungi forming spores? At the time of sexual reproduction, two hyphae, this is one hypha which is considered as a male, and this is another hypha, fungal hypha considered as female, come in contact. The cells of the hypha are haploid. That means, haploid means in each cell there is only one set of chromosomes. When there are two sets of chromosomes, the cells are called diploid. The cells of fungal hyphae are haploid. So two hyphae come together, two cells in the opposite hyphae, two cells, male and female, designated as male and female, in the opposite hyphae come in contact. These are the haploid cells of opposite strains, male and female, having haploid nuclei, one set of chromosome. These two haploid cells come in contact. At the point of contact, their cell walls and cell membranes fuse. The two nuclei remain separated for some time, and this stage is called dikaryon. After the cells fuse at the point of contact, the two haploid nuclei come together, but they do not fuse. They remain separated for some time, and this stage is called dikaryon. Now karyogamy takes place. Karyogamy means that two haploid nuclei fuse and forms a single diploid nucleus. Two haploid nuclei come in contact and they fuse and forms a single nucleus, which is a diploid nucleus, and the cell is called, which is formed is called zygote. So a diploid zygote is formed after karyogamy. Karyogamy means fusion of two haploid nuclei forming a single diploid nucleus. The diploid nucleus contains two sets of chromosomes, and the cell is called zygote. So this is the zygote, which has a diploid nucleus. Now it undergoes meiosis. Meiosis means a type of cell division by which the chromosome number is reduced to half, and from one cell, four cells are formed. So it is a single cell which has a diploid nucleus. It undergoes meiosis. Because of meiosis, the zygote is divided into four daughter cells, and each daughter cell is called a spore, but these are haploid. The chromosome number is reduced to half. The zygote is diploid and the spores are haploid because the spores are formed as a result of meiosis. So these haploid spores are formed as a result of meiosis from a diploid zygote. So these haploid spores now germinate into fungi, fungal filaments, under favorable conditions of environment. This is how sexual reproduction occurs in the fungi. Now fruiting body. What is a fruiting body? In fungi, a structure develops within which the zygote undergoes meiosis, forming haploid spores. The structure inside which the haploid spores are formed from a zygote is called fruiting body. Fruiting body is a structure within which the spores are formed. The spores are haploid, which are formed from diploid zygote through meiosis.